I don't even know if it's coming back out.
Everyone, today we're visiting every corner of the zoo.
I really hope we see the red panda. I've heard she's amazing. This is going straight on my story.
Phones away for a minute. Let's go over the rules first.
Let's go! Catch!
Please don't feed the elephants. Even something small can make them sick. Only keepers know exactly what's safe.
Didn't realize it was that serious. I love watching them get fed the right way. Look how gentle that keeper is with the fruit. That's probably years of training. Come on, do something!
Snakes feel vibrations very strongly. It's like someone banging on your bedroom wall.
Oh, I didn't think about it that way. Look how still it is. It's beautiful. It's probably resting. Then let's let it rest. I've been wanting to do this all day. We were both ahead of you. It'll just take a second. Worth the wait for this one. Definitely. Look at that platform view. Almost my turn. Just a little higher for the shot.
Please stay off the barrier. It's there for your safety, not just the tigers.
Fair enough, didn't think about that part. Got a great shot from right here. You didn't even need to lean. Zoom does all the work. Come here, I just want to pet you.
Let them come to you.
Chasing just scares them off faster. Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. Hey there, no rush. It actually came to you. Patience pays off. Hey, look over here.
Copying them like that can actually seem aggressive to a gorilla.
It's not really a game to them. Oh, I didn't know it could be taken that way. Look how thoughtful he seems, just sitting there. They're supposed to be really intelligent. Definitely feels that way watching him. Whoa, check this out!
Please keep sea stars in the water. One finger, gentle strokes, that's all they need.
Oh, didn't realize it needed to stay wet the whole time. So smooth. I didn't expect that texture. Neither did I, honestly.
She's very sensitive to noise and sudden light. If we're calm, she'll usually come out.
Yeah, got it.
Especially the flash. Please check it's off.
No flash, got it.
Please remember to turn off your flash.
Oh no, I forgot about the flash.
We waited so long. She won't return today.
Flashes and noise scare her.
I didn't mean to.
I know, but to her, it felt unsafe.
You okay? I ruined it for everyone. Mistakes happen, man. Hope she comes back out. Is there anything I can do? To help her feel safe again, I mean.
Actually, yes. Come sit, quietly. Sometimes all an animal needs is proof that it's safe.
She came back.
You gave her reasons to trust us.
Already off? Good thinking. Wouldn't want to scare her. I could watch this all day. These guys are hilarious. I can't see. Oh, sorry. Here, come on up front. Thank you for everything today.
Come visit again soon.
We definitely will.
Hey, if you go see the red panda, try to stay extra quiet and no flash on your camera.
Really?
Really? I learned that one the hard way.
Thank you for the tip.
You know what the best part was? The lions? Watching her come back, helping her feel safe. That is the best part. Where should we go next time? Type your idea in the comments below. We might use your idea in the next episode. See you next time!